The universe tells us that every experience is a lesson. Think of each challenge as a chance to learn and grow. Now's the time to wrap up things you haven't finished. Believe that all the steps you've already taken are building blocks for your success. Everything you've gone through, even the tough times, has brought you to where you are today. The universe notices your hard work and is making things work out for you. Trust the path you've made, it's leading you to bigger and better things. There's something important you need to know. Someone close to you feels like they need to leave, but they love you too much to go. You've always been a bright and cheerful person, spreading happiness wherever you go. Then, someone special came along and won your heart completely. You both shared a strong, undeniable connection, and life seemed wonderful, with your love only growing. However, life had other plans. It was a shock to find out that this person you care so deeply about thought about leaving. It hit hard because everything seemed so perfect, and your connection felt so strong. This news broke your heart. From the beginning, your happiness with this person felt like a dream come true. You believed your love would keep growing, that nothing could break your strong bond. You thought this relationship would mend old heartaches and even help your financial and social standing. But remember, the universe has its ways, guiding us through ups and downs, always leading us on the right path. You always believed that your relationship would open up new opportunities at work and improve your family's life. You dreamed of traveling to new places with your partner, living out all the dreams you both shared. The future seemed to stretch out full of endless possibilities. But then, everything took an unexpected turn. The person you loved began to doubt their place in your life. Trusting the guidance of the universe, you decided to confront these issues head-on by talking to them directly. During this heartfelt conversation, they revealed thoughts that completely changed your perspective. They expressed feelings of unworthiness, confessing that they didn't believe they deserved your love. They felt inadequate and feared that they were holding you back from a better future with someone else. This confession was difficult to hear and forced you to see their love through a new lens. They loved you deeply, but their self-doubt was overwhelming them. This revelation was painful, yet it illuminated the depth of their feelings and the inner struggles they were grappling with. This challenging moment, though hard, was crucial. It showed the strength of your bond and the complexity of human emotions involved. You both realized that love is not just about the good times but also about supporting each other through doubts and fears. As you both navigated through these revelations, you found your relationship growing stronger. The initial dreams of work opportunities and family betterment were still there, but now you saw these goals through a more grounded lens, recognizing that the journey together was also about overcoming personal barriers and insecurities. Your relationship became a testament to the power of understanding and compassion. Each day became a step towards healing and reaffirming your commitment to each other. The doubts that once seemed like insurmountable barriers transformed into stepping stones for personal growth and deeper connection. The universe, in its wisdom, had not only tested your love but also taught you the importance of patience, trust, and unconditional support. Now, facing the future, you both are more equipped to handle whatever comes your way, knowing that the universe will continue to guide you through love's complex, rewarding journey. Scared they weren't good enough, your partner felt really stuck. But when you opened up and spoke honestly from your heart, everything began to shift. As you shared your feelings, your partner started to see their true worth and the real strength of the love you both shared. They began to understand that they deserved your love just as much as you deserved theirs. This realization marked a turning point, making your bond stronger than ever. As a result, you both grew closer with each passing day, and your love for each other deepened immensely. This new strength in your relationship was quickly put to the test by life's challenges, but together, you faced them head-on and passed with flying colors. As time went on, the dreams you both held began to unfold into reality. You started traveling to new places, exploring the world hand in hand, experiencing cultures and sights you had only imagined. Each journey brought you closer and deepened your understanding of each other. Back home, you achieved goals that once seemed out of reach. Your professional lives flourished, leading to financial prosperity and a sense of stability that filled your home with happiness. It seemed as if the universe had unlocked a door that had been closed, allowing all your dreams and aspirations to turn into reality. The universe truly seemed to work its magic, weaving a path of love, growth, and happiness through your lives. With each new experience and achievement, your life together became richer and more fulfilling. This journey taught you the importance of faith and perseverance. You learned that facing fears and insecurities together made you both stronger, not just as individuals but as a couple. Now, looking back at how far you've come, you realize that every step, every challenge, and every moment of doubt has contributed to building a life that's full of love and joy. The universe's plan was always for you to grow together, to support each other, and to discover that in love, there is strength and endless possibilities. As you continue to face the future, you do so with the confidence that whatever challenges may come, you'll overcome them together, guided by the love and light that the universe provides. This journey has not only brought you closer but has also shown you that true love is a powerful force, capable of transforming fear into fortitude and dreams into reality. You learned a vital lesson that truly transformed how you view life and love. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, showed you that challenges are not meant to break you down but to build you up, to strengthen you. Every difficult moment you faced together with your partner wasn't just a random hardship, it was a test designed to fortify the bond you share. Through these trials, you both realized that the universe was actively guiding your growth not only as individuals but as a united pair. As you navigated these challenges, you began to see that all the struggles, all the moments of doubt, were parts of a much larger plan laid out by the universe. This plan was intricately designed to lead you to the profound love and happiness you had always yearned for but perhaps never fully understood how to attain. This realization brought with it a new perspective on life and a deeper appreciation for each experience, knowing now that each step was a crucial part of your journey. In the process, the universe imparted several invaluable lessons upon you. Patience, for one, became a cornerstone of your relationship. You learned to wait for the right moments and trust the timing of your life, understanding that good things take time to unfold. Trust also became fundamental. Trust in each other, trust in yourself, and trust in the universal plan that you are exactly where you need to be. Perhaps most importantly, you learned about the power of love. Love that is patient, love that trusts, and love that endures and transforms challenges into strength. The fears and worries that once seemed like they could end your relationship have instead made it unbreakably strong. You and your partner, having weathered these tests, now stand together more solidly than ever. Looking ahead, you are filled with hope and excitement for the future. You believe wholeheartedly that the universe has many more wonderful opportunities in store for you. Together, you step forward into the future, eager to see what adventures await. With every challenge you overcome, you grow stronger and more connected. If this message resonates with you, saying yes isn't just agreeing with words, it's embracing a commitment to continue this journey of love, guided by the stars and the unseen forces that have brought you this far. Say yes to claim this path, to embrace the growth and the love that the universe promises, and to welcome the abundant possibilities that await as you continue to trust in the cosmic journey designed just for you. My dear viewers, show your support by giving a super thanks up to $20.